stop, Mr. Vanderboos.
No cats are allowed in my yard! Serves you right.
Oh, no! Kitty!
Hi, Troy. What's wrong?
Hi, Mila. Mr. Vanderboos chased my kitty into the tree with water. And now, it can't come down again.
We can help with that. Morphle, morph into a fire truck. Don't worry, kitty. We'll get you down again.
Thank you, Morphle and Mila.
Lion, come back! Mila, Morphle, can you help me? Barky is chasing all my cats into a tree.
Barky, you shouldn't chase after cats.
That's great! Thank you, Mila and Morphle. Not in my city. Oh, no. Ah! Oh, no!
What is going on?
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, I know. Cats don't like water. Morphle, spray water at the lion. Now will you scare it? Yeah. And it went up in the tree. I think that as a fire truck, you should be able to get a kitty out of the tree, right? Lion friendly! Uh-oh. Let's get them out again. So that's why the cats were in the tree. Barky's at it again.
What is going on? A lion!